And when I started growing, I started to have conversations and argument with my mom, especially. My dad, he is a little bit like we don't. I'm open with him, and my mom is softer. Let's put it this way. So I
Yeah,
have
so
many
with your
conversations.
dad, you're open, but there are certain topics you don't talk about.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
So I don't get like
So you get
yeah.
your ass whooped.
Yeah. So so I had many conversations with my mom. It was a hot topic in my family. So my two brothers, Muhammad and Hamad, they were very close to the age of getting married. So they were looking around. So the traditional way is your mom will look for you. You will give her some like specifications, some criteria, and she will start looking for you, which is good in a way. Which is good in a way because sometimes maybe you know people that they are certain way. I mean, girls that a certain way, and you're looking for something else or something. So they are supporting in a way. On another way, they just come and say, "This is the girl. Okay, can I speak with her? Yes, one time. Why one time? How can I know her in one time? Can I sit with her? No, 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 no. You sit with her, and we will sit beside you. Come on, like why you are sitting beside me? Where I will go? No, you cannot go out with her. Okay. I will sit with her in her father's house. Can you go out, please, from this room? No, 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 no. You cannot be alone. Okay, I understand. Yeah, I understand that from where you're coming to that.
Yeah.
At the same time, like there is a space, and I started reading the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, and reading the Quran, which is words of Allah. And I started like uh, um, telling my mom, okay, what do you understand from this? And she said, you are now a scholar. You will tell us what to know and what to not know from this. Said, mom, there is, there is a statement, a sentence from Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, that he said that look at the girl that you want to marry. And when he said look, we understood, we got it as Muslims, that look by eyes. And in Arabic, look doesn't mean look only by eyes. Like look, like search it, make sure that she is the right person. Uh, I asked her, is that right? Like the meaning in Arabic. She said, yeah. Okay, so if that, and we know that Prophet Muhammad have perfect Arabic, like the Arabic that really, if it goes for years, the meaning is deep. So how come you understand only look at her? Like what I want, do I want a girl that she look only pretty? That's not enough. I want to know what is here in her head. I want to know the chemistry. I want to know, like, I want a funny girl. Like, I want to laugh with her. I want her, like, I want to know, what she don't know in life, what she, at least what got get her interest. So can we be together in some areas and she have her own space? What is her personality like when she get angry, when she get happy? What what do she think of life? What do she think if I'm like, if I have money, if I don't have money? What is her perspective of life? And then after a while, of course, she was like not very happy with with the conversations. Many times we stopped. Many times it was like,
Mm.
and then after a while, I realized that my mom started like we started to be in a common ground, and she said, um, she said, you know, Abdallah. I said, yeah, tell me, mom. And she said, now when my Ali, the youngest, my when your youngest brother will get married, I will not recommend anyone. He said, why? She said, no. He will tell me and I will go support him. Check, maybe ask, maybe think with him. So it took something. It took something. This is what I realized. The like Islam doesn't like tell us no, don't do that. It's only our like
Yeah.
we put the barriers.
Exactly.
Like, you know, our past of understanding what is there.